Condemn iron, condemn iron. Iron, condemn, iron, condemn. Condemn iron, condemn iron. Iron, condemn. Hey, okay, you go sell them.
No.
Condemn iron.
I no go sell now.
What of this one?
I no go sell. How my tools be this now? You know how much for this thing?
I'll give you 20 naira.
You know how much? These two things will go buy your full life.
Condemn iron.
Condemn iron.
Okay.
What did they do here?
Officer, thank God say you come. This guy they ask me whether me go sell my tools.
What?
My tools for 30 naira. My tools.
For Jack? That's naira.
Hey, Oga, I go sell them for this one. Condemn iron.
For my chain.
I give you 10 naira per.
You know there Oguno for him. So maybe give you my chain. 30 naira.
Okay, Oga, condemn iron.
Will you remove your hand from that place?
This one go.
Maybe. Come on, wait. How you take? Una go say na the back condemn iron.
What did happen?
Say this one.
Hey, Papa.
Condemn iron.
Papa.
It will be this one.
Say make me give you a chain. This
Before
one.
we just go, if I want like bear, I would touch my back.
You sell and condemn iron.
You take come my glass when I take the zero condemn.
30 naira.
Walk condemn. Where when you na walk condemn 30 naira. What if I want yeah cool give us yeah. But what any small time when we just go break. Now all those nyama people they always enter line.
Me not know where you for come.
This is not condemn you abi. What the rubber they do for inside?
Now una go say na the back condemn iron. Una go enter people compound. Condemn iron no. Now carry full generator. Go for here. Use rubber cover am.
Full
Generator na condemn iron.
Full generator condemn iron.
Full generator for person generator.
You no condemn.
Like a day. Condemn iron. Condemn iron.
For
For
laptop.
waiting again. May give you laptop for condemn iron.
This one, they go quick. You just quick carry this one.
This
Go
guy
ahead.
not well oh.
And I heard this one they go. We don't know. I have fire.
Condemn iron now.
Excuse me, my laptop condemn iron.
Condemn iron. 30 naira I give you. Nana.
Why if it's everything na 30 naira the price am?
Okay, wait. Everything for your hand na condemn iron.
Condemn iron.
Okay, I beg. Una get any condemn kingdom? May they put this guy.
Very.
Because you need condemn kingdom.
Yes.
Very.
No,
Since
no,
when I
no.
know you now you talk
I want
sense.
condemn iron. I buy condemn iron. Anything condemn.
The area, the condemn kingdom, you will see enough condemn iron day.
Person
If I
condemn.
use self, he condemn.
Person condemn
Brother.
for abayam.
It's enough. It's enough.
Rubbish.
Let me talk to you first. Condemn iron. You are buying condemn iron, right?
Can you imagine?
What is rubber doing inside?
Oh.
It's condemn iron.
Okay, na rubber you see condemn iron, see carton.
We dey talk about
Carton.
see
Condemn
perfume dey inside though. Condemn my original here. This one na thief only. Only.
Excuse me. Now they do condemn iron. The enter person come out carry fridge. Enter
Thank
person
you.
come out. Human being go lost.
Condemn iron.
Eh? Wonderful.
See food this thing. This one not waiting to tell the bath pikin. Not be small pikin when they newly born. So now waiting to take bath for you carry am. Rubber na iron.
I see something.
Say na condemn iron.
Put that as you don't raise her just now. I see am. See in the camera. See am. Oh, this one not the best. You just said this one not bad. That paradise not the practice.
Where did you get this?
Condemn iron. I see am big.
You see am pick. You be thief. Oh, you
You see
can.
a pig.
Full fan.
Full fan.
Condemn iron.
Na them oh.
So this trumpet when we dey look for more they blow main word end. Now you hold on.
Na you laugh.
Angel, condemn iron.
Condemn iron. Young man, you are going to hell.
No, don't worry.
Oga, wait.
Don't
Abeg.
we will help am pack.
You want blow the trumpet, make the word good.
The word is so in.
Wait, make I see that
Abeg,
trumpet
abeg.
just now. Yeah, see am. Wait.
Never blow am.
Hey, there, well, Larry, wait.
Oga.
Your bring. I want to show
Oga.
you something for inside. You show me first. I want just show you something.
Condemn iron. What is your name?
Eduardo.
Eduardo. I don't need to even check the laptop. Hellfire.
Guys,
we go help you back.
Angel, the trumpet. I give you 50 naira.
My friend,
You get
Hey, take this shit out of here.
I beg, no worry. Officer Gumeru, I'm not even already head.
move, go to your fire.
Fire.
I give you for your glass 30 naira.
Go and
A glass
condemn
of
there.
wow, if
Go
I
and-
want
go-
like
go
big
and-
glass man, if you go get there.
Go and condemn there.
Yeah, fellow. I say make I now. Okay, but yeah.
I don't condemn.
I just condemn you, man. No, maybe smart you. Wait, make I show you one thing for inside the trumpet. Wait, I want to show you some. Go blow am, I want to blow one blow am. One blow am. You dey look am?
My tools.
You carry your
My tools. Oh.
follow am. I first talk and say those people na where's my chain? Abeg, may I carry my chain come abeg.
Hey!
Where's the man? Where's the man? Where's that bookie? You just stole one of my boots. Who my boots?
Hellfire. I went to Hellfire.
Thank God. Thank God. Find your chain.
Yes na.
Nice one.
And see how they move one, no.
Still tire me.
Wetin happen here? The condemn your thief una things.
Doctor, go collect am back.
You know see Papa guy, I don't lose guard. I know say na so that they do now. Wear my glass where I cut the monitor.
No wonder you tie rope put.
I tie rope put to say, you are not feeling leave am.
Nice one.
Edgar, where's my trumpet?
Which trumpet? You want blow and you want hand the word. When I tell that day, say you know if you get luck, say I save you from embarrassment. Now let me one day here. No, it's not there. This judgment true. Imagine you plan, say my colleague, oh my guys, my guy, man, he a bullet. You not go here. And you know say your guy not there around.
What's
You can't
your
invade.
name? What's
Oh God, if not the trumpet, you go bring that trumpet. It's because those boys, that three Yahoo boys, when we carry, when they DPO hand, so only you know we chop that money. As I don't chop for inside, Joe Kukuma end the work, everybody start afresh. That boys, only you know.
You are Yahoo.
You are Yahoo. Why kill yourself now? Die for long.
They are the criminals we have in this country.
Hey, go and catch them now.
Be the criminal. The one who they parade there for social media. Oyibo don't see us finish now. Oyibo go just see you fine for Instagram. They go block your account. Don't you say they press. Now cause now they use us the way everywhere.
But we are collecting the money.
How now they retrieve the money?
We are receiving it back.
Ah.
As they are collecting it from people indirectly, we hold them, we collect the money
Okay,
back.
good.
For
They're
what?
retrieving it.
For
So
what?
they return it back to the Oyibo. Oyibo right letter give you. Now they cause the problem for this country. Now for abroad, you just say now let Nigeria get Yahoo. Oyibo get Yahoo. You they see that they post their own people. Una go don't carry on our people. They embarrass them. We know say make una not do una work, but make una leave our children. Leave our children.
But they are thieves. But they are collecting them.
Now you people are the bigger thief. Since when I say una they recover, we not see wetin una they use the money do. Oyibo don't go cry. Say if I not fit talk your matter. Don't come here.
Policeman. All those people cry say their money lost.
Oh, nice.
If you go to develop world, this is what their police do. They have criminals, they catch them, you don't see them on news.
Oh, nice.
But now all our youths, even you people, you have pages on Instagram. If you arrest innocent person, put your picture there.
Boom. That one that they do now.
Put picture there. Now nobody can travel out from Nigeria peacefully. Say Yahoo.
But our federal government approved it. They gave us the
Good
power
man,
to be arresting those
No,
boys.
they gave her order.
They tell us to be. In fact,
Your leaders are the bigger Yahoo.
but I wish, as we are arresting those Yahoo boys, if to say a wrong thing, at least the federal government will tell us to stop. Why did the federal government not tell us to?
I will judge you and your people. I will judge you and your
Make it not just they talk here.
people. I will judge you and your people.
You know where you
What's your
people.
name? Bolo.
You know Amoka. You know
Will you
Amoka.
quiet? Hey, Yahoo go on.
Ìbàbọ̀ fìyẹ̀kùn lélẹ̀.
You know how much I've made.
Who never dey say make you quiet, you see the talk.
Don't insult us.
Yo.
Yahoo boys, you are talking about.
Oh,
They are
sat,
blessing to
they
us.
sat, give a pie, they
If
sat,
not
give
for the
me.
Yahoo that came recently, officers, police, we don't use to build us. We don't use to drive fire cars. But now we can build us. We can.
Is that not the main reason you should leave them? In fact, they are one of the better person because una when say una be government, they are one of the reasons why we have development in this country. Basic amenities una fit give us.
I cannot dey sharp.
Now they make a shot stock am.
We know say the thing no good, but we just dey collect am.
So
Then we
you
take dey
know,
survive.
now na take dey survive. Una don make the small children to take turn to una source of income.
Na so e be. Federal government dey pay.
Road una not do.
Government
Light
dey
una
pay.
not give us. Nothing. The only people wey by themselves say make dem work. Una go dey carry work. Oh, abeg angel, no let me talk pass like this.
Make
Oh,
na
let
look
am
for
hear
car
now.
water, give her that. Look for car water, give her
let
that.
am
go na give me water. I don't to talk. My voice it don't crack.
We don't bring water for you. What's your name? Bolo, engineer Bolo.
Yes, sir.
And I'll be all those mechanic when they will give car. Now it's not the test and it's not the travel. Eh? Now tell person say the tarot for your car now 70,000 we're right now 20,000.
That's the way forward now. And it's to eat now. If
yeah.
I tell the guy say the amount now 20k, the price 10. But I tell him 70, he pay 50 or 60. They see again they come outside from
So
Why if say if now they drive on a whole personal car, I know they drive on with speed. Car when they're giving now main now repair now use speed. 80.
So it's to test if the engine is moving in a proper direction. You know, like in a motor 4 speed.
Una no get engine. Why not drive like that?
Because I
Now, so see, I want to complain of police. I don't know, say this one still there.
Lastly,
What
why
one?
they say if they're giving a car, eh? Now repair and finish. Now tell the owner say never repair finish. Now drive and go on that state.
Okay.
And they tell the cruise they carry guests.
where shall we are doing it just to test the engine.
Fire.
No, sir. No,
Fire.
I don't already know this one future. They go and come and
Mechanic.
do.
Nobody. You.
Go agume go ga fiona ni boy. Va bolla. Wait, make I just follow you. Now me they talk to anyhow. What la?
Go and bring me here.
Well, we be bad.
Anywhere you see, go and bring me here.
But I thought you said we are not working.
Thank you for watching Home of Laughter comedy videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more funny videos.